This is the most sumptuous village rice you have ever seen. This village rice tastes so yummy, and the secret ingredient is fish, and more fish. Exactly. So I started off with my palm oil. I just let it heat for a bit. I went in with my onion, my pepper mix, and I fried that for a little bit more. I added my salt, my maggi. I added my crayfish, my fish, fish, fish. After adding all this fish I used both roasted fish and mangala fish in this recipe. I went ahead and let that fry for a bit. I went in with my washed rice, stir it with my washed rice, fry it a little bit more. Then I went in with my water and covered it. After it was totally cooked, I went in with my scent leaf, sprinkle my scent leaf on it, and let it sit for low heat for just 5 to 3 to 5 minutes, and that was all. This rice is definitely one of the yummiest rice or village rice I've ever made. To think I felt like my kids would not like village rice because they are not fans of fish. They really don't like fish. When you want to give them any protein, just do meat, chicken, and the likes. But fish, they don't like fish. But this one, they loved it and they took it to school. Wow, I am shocked. And if you have watched to this point, please do well to subscribe to my channel, do well to support me, do well to like, do well to drop a comment, or drop a comment. Tell me your name in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out on my next video. Toodles!